What if your car won't start? Hop in your car, turn the key, and it just goes click. That one little click hits harder than a breakup text. First thought, it'll start the second time, so you try again. Click. Now you're negotiating with the dashboard like it can hear you. Come on, girl, we can work this out. Could be the starter. Could be corrosion on the terminals. Could be you left the dome light on like a champion. First move, check your lights. Weak, battery. Second, try jump start. That's your battery saying, I'm done, boss. Especially if the lights are dim or the radio sounds tired. The crank slow like it's waking up from a nap, battery's weak. Crank strong but won't fire up. Now we're talking spark plug or fuel problems. Pull a plug. If it's fouled like this, you ain't getting spark. Or pinch a line and see if you're feeding gas. No flow, no go.